Hey guys, Angel Medina here. On today's video, I'm going to be going over some key information if you're a home buyer and you are looking to buy and you know you have really good credit and your income is really steady, but you're thinking to yourself, well, what's next? If you're new here, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you notice there's a bell right next to the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell. That'll notify you anytime I upload a new video. That way you can stay in the know. So thank you so much for watching this video. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor. Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Again, on this video, I want to talk to somebody out there where you're somebody who you want to buy, you know you have good credit, you're living with your parents or you're with your friends, or you know that you need to do something because your credit's good and you've been at the same job and you can qualify for more. So I want to go over what is the next step. So the next step is, first find out, what can I afford? So whether you can afford a higher payment, you need to figure out, well, how much can I afford? So again, the next step is, well, how much can I afford? So once you figure out how much you can afford as far as on a monthly basis, how much can I afford for my mortgage payment? And then after that, what you want to decide is how much can I put down? Can I put down a lot, or can I put down nothing? So once you come to that conclusion, then you want to do your homework. You want to go online and you want to look at different lenders. So if you speak to 3 different lenders and you see one of the lenders is really just a lot lower than the other 2, well, always go with your gut. If your gut tells you it seems too good to be true, then it normally is. I would recommend to get the myth away where a lot of people feel, well, it's my bank, so they should give me the best loan program. That is not true. They're going to treat you just like they do anyone else. If you know the bank teller there, they're going to refer you to the banker. And if you know the banker, if somebody's being very upfront with you, their guidelines are going to be just as strict with you as they are with anyone else. The good thing about working with a direct lender like myself is most of those banks that you go and talk to, I can also go through them as well if we need to. But at the end of the day, there is no Disneyland place of rates. There's no perfect place where you can go and they have the best rates. It all comes down to working with somebody who is going to make sure and ask you the right questions from the very beginning, and structure the loan to do what you want. And they're not going to tell you just what you want to hear, but ultimately what you need to hear. So if you right now are someone who has good income, you have good credit, you need to first take out a pen and paper and write down how much can I afford on a monthly basis? What's the max I can afford on a new mortgage payment? And I know that it's going to include, if you don't know, it's going to include property taxes and homeowners insurance. And also keep in mind, if you get a condo, you also have to take in consideration HOA fees. So I would add, let's say for example, homeowners insurance, $50. Taxes, I would add, let's say worst case scenario, $300. And if you're planning on buying a condo because you feel that that's the way you want to go, then you want to add in, just to be on the safe side, I would say $350. So again, that would be the next step. Find out what the max that you can afford for a monthly payment, and then find out what is the max you can. And it's not something that, well, I'm just going to tell them a little bit less than what I actually can put down. No. You want to be very upfront. This is $20,000, $10,000, $5,000 is a max I can put down. That's the max. And then that way the person helping you can give you the best advice, and you could say, from the beginning, I've told you, so they can work with that number. And if they come down lower, then even better. So again, if you're in that position, I hope this helps you. You want to make sure and make the right steps and you want to know this information because really, like I say to everybody, what you don't know can and will hurt you if you don't figure it out. So with these videos, I'm telling you the same thing I would tell to my mom, my dad, my brothers, my sister, anyone in my family. And so you have to understand that I'm speaking from the heart. For somebody out there who feels lost when they're first starting off and they don't know where to go and they don't really want to speak to a lender because they don't want to feel pressured. Well, I hope these videos help so it can make you in the know. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're new here, I would ask you to please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you notice next to the subscribe button, there's a little bell. If you hit that bell, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have subscribed already, thank you. I definitely want to make sure that I'm giving value to people who are watching this. So many people, they don't teach you this in school, which I think they should teach you a lot of this. These are things that I've learned throughout my 20 years of experience, and I hope to share them with people out there who are not in the know. Thank you so much for watching. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor. Thank you.